What's up? It's Susie from Hey Grill Hey, and today we are making one of the backyard barbecue basics, armadillo eggs. They are jalapeno poppers, wrapped in sausage, wrapped in bacon, low and slow smoked, basted in barbecue sauce. Every single layer is delicious and flavorful. They come together really quickly, and they taste phenomenal. So let's do it. Let's start with our jalapeno popper filling. I've got 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 4 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese, and then some of my barbecue sweet rub. This is the barbecue rub that I use on everything. It's one of those kind of staple recipes. You can grab a bottle from the store, or I have the recipe on my website. You can actually make it yourself. Give that a mix. I just like to use my hands here. This is one of those recipes where it's very hands-on, but it's also kind of very fun to make. Once you've got your seasoned cream cheese mixture ready, it's time to fill your jalapenos. I've got jalapenos that have been hollowed out, so the stem and the seeds and the ribs have all been removed. You can just use a small knife to do this and scrape out the inside. If you are jalapeno averse, but you still want the experience, we've also made these with those really small bell peppers that you can buy in the grocery store really easily now. Same impact, same flavor profile, just takes out some of the heat and makes them a little bit more family friendly. Now again, hands-on, I just like to use my fingers to fill these up. You can use a small spoon. I've seen people use a piping bag. I'm faster and more efficient if I just do it by hand. Once our jalapenos are filled, it's time to wrap them in sausage. Now this is just classic pork sausage. If you want an additional layer of flavor, you could use the spicy pork sausage to bring a little bit more heat. All you gotta do is divide your sausage up into chunks and then use your hand to roll the balls of sausage around your jalapenos. The most important aspect here is covering this kind of cheesy edge of your popper. It helps keep all the cheese in while it's cooking so the cheese doesn't come out. Once you have it encased in the sausage, it's time to wrap it in bacon. Now this will take 1 or 2 pieces of bacon depending on how big your armadillo eggs are and how big your bacon is. You just want to make sure that as you wrap, you tuck the ends so that they don't come unraveled while they're cooking. There's one done. We'll finish the rest. When I was pulling up the recipe for this today so that I could make sure we had all the ingredients, I was reading some of the comments that you guys have left on the recipe itself. And I have to read you one of my favorites from Danny. She said, "This is our 3rd time making these and we loved it. Snowed in day and nothing beats smoking something delicious." I feel the exact same way. And I do think these are like the perfect snow day treat because they're a little bit spicy. They'll warm you up from the inside. Anyway, thanks, Danny. Once our armadillo eggs are all wrapped, I'm gonna hit them with another coat of the sweet rub barbecue seasoning. This is gonna add a ton of flavor and color to the outside of our armadillo eggs. And then these are going on the smoker. I actually have my Weber kettle set up for indirect cooking today. It's gonna be running about 250, but these work great on a pellet smoker or an offset smoker as well. We will make these just on their own, but these are also really fun to throw on the smoker next to like a pork shoulder or a brisket if you're doing a longer cook. Take advantage of that heat and make multiple things with it. I also love how versatile these are. They're great for breakfast with the sausage. You can serve them with some eggs and toast. They're awesome sliced up as appetizers because they're pretty big, or they work on their own as a main course protein. They already smell great. It's time to get them on the grill. So I've got my coals over here, armadillo eggs on the opposite side. And then I'm gonna be smoking these with cherry wood today because I love the flavor, but also the color that cherry wood gives to things. You can use your favorite hardwood. Apple, maple, pecan, alder are all really good options for these. We're gonna close the lid. They'll probably cook up in about 2 hours. We'll just keep an eye on them. I'll start checking at the 1 to 1.5 hour mark. We're looking for 165 degrees internal temperature before our next step. All right, our armadillo eggs have been on for about 2 hours. They're looking very smoky and very lovely. I'm gonna hit mine with a layer of barbecue sauce because I prefer kind of a softer bite through bacon. I'm using Whiskey Peach. The written recipe calls for everything sauce, but you can have a lot of fun here with the flavor profiles you use for the sauce. If you want a crispier bacon on the outside, I would skip the sauce, increase the heat on your grill or smoker, or even pop them under the broiler for a couple minutes, and you can get a crispier bacon on the outside. I really prefer to have them be like kind of softer and bite through tender bacon, but that's just preference. Couple minutes more on the smoker, let the sauce tack up and set, let these finish cooking, and then we're ready to go. Look at these beautiful, lacquered, shiny, smoky, bacony armadillo eggs. These are one of my favorite, like I said, barbecue classics, right? Jalapeno popper is a classic, but you wrap it in sausage, you wrap it in bacon, you're really taking it to the next level. So let's look inside. It's like Christmas morning opening a package like this. Like I said, these are awesome as appetizers. Usually we'll slice them into rings and kind of serve them up like this. They're great as a main dish. These are just really delicious, really fun to make, really flavorful, and a perfect bite for me to eat. That bacon is perfectly rendered. The sausage is so smoky. The sauce and the seasoning give it like that sweet acidic tang to offset the richness of the proteins. And then that creamy, cheesy, slightly spicy jalapeno filling. That is a treat that you will come back to over and over again. It's a backyard barbecue classic. See you guys next time. They're so good.